Alright everybody, it's Josh Mack the Chef. Today I'm here with Easy Blade. And we're doing a nice skin drop fade with the side part. It's going to go all the way to the other side right here. We're going to chef it up. Alright, let's go. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and start it off with a 0 line. And we're going to follow it all the way around to the other side, just like I do with any skin fade. Okay? I'm going to start right around in here. And then I'm going to start dropping it down. Okay? And I'm going to go down and connect that to my previous line that I started on the other side. Okay? Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put our number 1 blade on there. And I'm going to take an inch up into the fade. Okay? An inch. And I'm just going to scoop it at the same time as I'm going up. In and scoop. Alright, so next step, we're going to go up into the blend. We're going to blend with the 1A now, maybe about a ½ inch instead of an inch. And we're just going to start making our shape again as we did before. And we're going to go up and then curve it downwards, okay? And this is how our blend is going to be. It's going to drop. And scoop up. Just like you would with some ice cream, you're gonna go in and just scoop it out, okay? In and scoop, scoop. I'm gonna curve it down just to match up with the back side. So again, I'm back at my number 1 blade, and I'm just going where the line is, and I'm gonna go in at an angle to take out the weight line. Okay, just the corner of the blade, guys. The corner of the blade. Same thing I did before. I'm just gonna go in and scoop out. Okay. I'm just doing it in a smaller area. Just wherever I see or I feel where it's heavy, I'm just gonna go in at and take that out. And right now I'm just going upwards instead of scooping. I'm going upwards. I'm just taking anything out. Same thing I was doing earlier. Okay, it's just a different technique. Okay. Just some detail work. Okay, next up is the 1.5 blade. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and scoop. I don't want to go too high. I want to keep this, at a certain length so I can make it look more natural. And we're gonna keep his head shape square. Okay, we don't want to go all the way up here to the part line because we don't want to round him out. We don't want him looking like a tennis ball when he comes back. Okay. So again, I'm gonna go with the 1.5 at an angle. Okay. I'm still going in and scooping, guys. I'm just doing it at an angle now. We're getting close here, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in a little bit right here, scoop it out. I'm leaving the extra hair on the side just to keep that longer. And I'll show you what to do with that once we get to the next step. I'm still working my way to the back. Okay. Same thing as I was doing on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and scoop out. Okay. Remember, we don't want to go too high. We don't want to go in here. Okay. So it's gonna go in and scoop out. Alright guys, so the next step, we're going to go ahead and put that number 2 blade on there. We're going to start cutting clipper over comb now. We're going to switch the whole technique around. We're going to go in, right? Same thing we did before. We're going to go in and scoop, right? But I'm also going to start coming in and taking extra weight out, okay? Right now I'm just putting it at an angle just because, remember, the fade drops. So I'm putting my comb at an angle just so I can get it to the desired length that I want it for this fade, guys. Okay. Same thing that I did in the front. Just gonna do it over here in the back. Go up, take that out, right? Same thing, bam. Okay, I don't want to go into the hair on the top, guys. You know the technique I like to do? I like to backhand it, just because the hair texture and the hair length changes. So I'm gonna backhand it this way, just to take that out and still keep the shape that I'm looking for. Remember, we're still looking for that square shape, guys. We don't need any round tennis balls in here, okay? No fuzz balls around. Alright, I'm just gonna go in a little bit with that number 2 blade. Alright. And I'm gonna scoop. I'm scooping it out. Okay. We see this line right here. We did the 1, we did the 1A. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the 1.5. We're gonna take this line out, and we're just gonna do the same process we've been doing this whole time. We're just gonna go in at an angle, and we're just gonna go in and take that out. Okay, not too high. Like I said, we don't want to go into the fade. We don't want to create more lines. Okay. Going in and scooping it. And just work my way all the way around and connect it to the other side. Alright guys, so we're switching to our magic clip right now. We're going to take this 0 line out. Okay, and we're gonna follow it all the way down. We're gonna go in like so. Same thing we've been doing. We're gonna go in and scoop it out. Okay, this is your 000 going into your half, and then blending that into the 1 that we used earlier. Okay, not too high. We don't want to go and get into that 1 line, and we're just gonna create another line, and then you gotta do the fade higher. We're not trying to do all of that today. You know. If I do see a line, I can go in, remember, right here, I can go in with my half and, use a corner, take something out. Whatever I think that doesn't belong there, I'm going to take it out. Take that 0 line out. I'm going to go in, I'm going to scoop it out. Just like the ice cream scoop. We're going to go in, we're going to scoop. We're back on the other side now, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing like we did previously. I'm just gonna go in and scoop this out. I'm gonna meet this to the back of the head. We're still going up and scooping. This is what we do, we scoop. And the curvature of the head changes, so we're gonna go in and follow that, right? We're gonna go in and scoop at a different angle in a second. Okay, I'm gonna go up like this. Take some weight out this way. Okay, make sure not too much. Let's take that out. So next step is we're gonna start cutting the top. I'm gonna razor cut this a little bit as well. And get this nice and wet. I like to pick it up maybe about 2.5 fingers. And I'm just gonna go in and chop it up, alright? So just cut the top with scissors. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this weight out with our razor here. Okay, I'm just gonna go right here and I'm gonna backhand it, okay? I'm just gonna go like this, pull it out, and just cut across. Okay? Basically the same method as if you were to go with your shears or clipper over comb. I'm just doing it with the razor. Same thing, pull out, cut out anything extra that I don't need. My client wants the hard part, so we're gonna go ahead and put a hard part in. And I'll try to keep it as straight as I can. I don't want it too wide either. And go just like that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and shave the bottom of the hair off that we don't need anymore. Obviously, the fade's done. Okay, I'll go ahead and use my trusty Easy Blade shaving gel. Smack it on there. Okay, get that on there. Yeah. Try to tilt your head. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna pull this kind of taut, and it's gonna go down with the blade, okay? Just like that. Alright, so we're still shaving, and we're just pulling the skin nice and taut. See some tension on there, just so we don't cut anybody. We're gonna pull it nice and tight, like so. And bring it down. Alright everybody, it's Josh Matt the Chef. I just killed this drop skin fade. Here again with Easy Blade with more videos to come. Stay tuned everybody. We'll be back.